Looking for the best power tools for homeowners who want to get stuff done without breaking the bank or buying way more than they need? Okay, so first off, if you're just starting out, don't stress about going all in on fancy brands. Like, get a decent cordless drill from Dewalt or Milwaukee. They're solid, reliable, and will cover most jobs around the house. When it comes to hand tools, don't get stuck on one brand either. Some specialize in specific tools, so mix and match based on what feels good and works well for you. A good tip is to start with affordable stuff from places like Harbor Freight, because they have lifetime warranties, so if something breaks, you can swap it out without losing money. If you find a tool keeps breaking or just doesn't perform, then it's worth upgrading to a better-known brand for that specific item. Also, think about what you really need. If you're just doing basic repairs or small projects, you don't need a whole fancy set that pros use. Ryobi and Craftsman are great mid-range options that hold up well for homeowners. Always buy tools that fit your needs, not tools just to have them sitting in a box collecting dust. Trust me, having the right tool for the right job saves time and frustration. One of the biggest mistakes people make when buying power tools is going too cheap and ending up with junk that breaks fast. Fix this by checking reviews and warranties before buying. Another common problem is buying super expensive pro-grade tools that are overkill for home use. Save money by choosing mid-tier brands designed for homeowners. Lastly, people often buy tools they don't need just because they look cool or popular. The fix here is to plan your projects first and get only what you will actually use to avoid clutter and wasted cash. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually get the job done right without headaches. It also helps contractors connect with customers looking for reliable pros, making home improvement simpler for everyone involved.